I am so in love with this finished look of this red hibiscus flower. This beautiful flower was created by using a stainless steel ball chain. Yes, you heard me, ball chain. Check out today's creation video. You're gonna love it. Hello everyone, this is your girl Camille. I hope you guys are all doing fine, and I want to say thank you all for being here. I'm super excited to do another chain pull flower. I hope you guys enjoy the black and white one I did. Today I will be doing this one a little bit different. I would just want to do a simple red hibiscus flower. Alright, and I'll be using the chain pull technique to paint this flower. As you can see, I've already gone ahead and cover most of my canvas in white paint, and I'm using a 10 by 10 inch canvas for today's demo. The black paint you see me added in the middle, I'm just spreading it thinly. For this technique, you have to pour the paint very thinly on the canvas. All right, this red is a custom mixed Burgundy Red, and I'm just using my mouth to blow it out thinly after I've added it with this popsicle stick that I'm using. I mean, I'm just explaining because someone had asked me, if the painting that I did, the black and white one, if it was done on a dry canvas. So I'm just showing you another way of how I spread the paint. I like the blow dryer because it really thin the paint out across the canvas, and it makes it easier for me when I'm using the chain pull technique. I don't have to clean up that much when I pull with the chain, because remember, you're pulling with the chain and you're gonna have paint pooling somewhere, or wherever you lift that chain, you're gonna have some excess paint hanging over, which you're gonna have to either use a spoon to get up the excess paint. All right, so I just want to make sure that I spread my paint thinly here. I'm just adding some yellow, and this is a brilliant yellow by Artist Loft, and I'm just spreading it thinly here, guys. All right, I know I didn't show you how I spread the white, and this is also a repurposed canvas. I'm just reusing an old canvas to do today's demo. Super excited. I do love the way it turned out, and I'm so happy to share this with you. And of course, guys, if you really do enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. All right, this is what really helps me in the YouTube algorithm. And of course, if you do enjoy my channel and you do enjoy my content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Okay, I do create other content similar to this. It's all about the fluid art, and if you subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell and hit all, so that whenever I post a new video, you are notified each time. All right, I'm really happy you guys are here with me today, and don't forget to stick around all the way to the end. I'll be showing you the close-up of the wet result and the close-up of the dried result. All right, guys, this is just a simple flower. I'm just doing a rough sketch here. I know the hibiscus is a 5-petal flower, so I'm just doing a rough sketch. All right, you don't really have to. You can just put your chain down and create your own style. I know the video it's not showing how I put the paint on the chains. I'm laying the chains. If you can look over to your right, you can see me layering the ball chains, the stainless steel ball chains. I'm putting them in a saucer plate here, and then I will be putting the paint over. And I'm just using one red color here. It's also Bright Red by DecoArt, and I'm covering these chains with enough red paint. Okay, I've seen artists just dipping the chains in a cup and then pulling it on the canvas. And guys, remember, yes, your canvas should be wet. Okay, I'm sorry that it's not really showing, but if you do look, you can actually see me just working fast here, and I have like a couple chains, maybe like 5 chains that I'm covering with this red paint. Okay, then you just hold one end that doesn't have that paint and you just layer it into the pattern that you want, and then you pull it towards the center. As simple and as easy as that. And remember when I said, guys, it's very important to spread your base color thin. This is the reason why. Do you see that white is pulling? And because the white pulls so much, you know, I completely lost my yellow, because what I really wanted was to have my yellow showing where the white is exposed right now. But you know what, I keep going. That's one thing with art, you just have to keep going. You know what, sometimes it seems like this is not what you want, but keep going and then just see what the end result. Sometimes the end result might amaze you, and this is what happened with today's painting. It really did amaze me, and I decided to show it and share it with you guys. So I do hope you enjoy, and of course give this video a thumbs up if you do. Thank you so much. And so I want to share with you as well how I remove the excess paint. So the excess white paint that pulls right there in the middle, I am just using my finger to, you know, pick up the excess paint, and I'm just dabbing my finger. It's like you're doing a balloon smash, you know, but I'm just using my finger. And as you can tell, while I'm dipping my finger in the black and that burgundy and also the yellow, they're starting to expose now. I can see a bit, so I left it because that's what I wanted. I wanted to have the dark colors like the black and the burgundy in the middle. I wanted to have, you know, the color there, just like with the hibiscus or some hibiscus flower that you see, right? So, and I was happy with that. Then I decided now I'm gonna just do that the pollen stem, and yeah, I'm using Fuchsia by DecoArt. So I was just trying to show you guys there, and I'm just using the end of my my skewer here to dip the paint, dip in the fuchsia paint, and then yeah, so no paintbrush used in today's painting, guys. Like I'm telling you right now, this is just my popsicle stick, and it's the Ready Pouring paint by DecoArt Fuchsia that I'm using here, and then I'll be using DecoArt Bright Yellow for the pollen greens, and that's it. You know, no paintbrush, guys. And this is the one thing I love about the fluid art. So amazing. You don't need to use a paintbrush to make beautiful art. Okay, let me know what you guys think about today's video, and of course give this one a thumbs up, and I will see you for the close-up. Alrighty, let's check out the close-up of the wet result. Let me apologize firstly about the leaves. The way I edited the leaves, I used my mouth to blow it out. With my camera, you won't see how I'm blowing it out unless I have a camera facing me. But this is an overhead camera, and I want to say I'm sorry about that. So it's just a simple little blowout, guys. You could use a straw to blow it out. I just want to add some leaves to give some more colors, and I love it. I'm glad I added the leaves. And remember, this is a float art, so no paintbrush. And before you started judging the leaves and say they don't look like a hibiscus leaf, they really don't. But I just wanted to add leaves. Okay. Anyhow, guys. Let me know what you think about this one. I love it. I love the center of the hibiscus. I love the shape of the entire flower here. It's beautiful. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section below. And here it is, all dried, and I am loving it. Love the dried result, and it's beautiful. I do love this red. It's so bright, and this is one thing with the Chainpull. It will bring out your beautiful bright colors, as long as make sure your base color is very thin. Add it thinly. Okay, spread it thinly. The consistency has to be key as well, but make sure it's spread thinly on your canvas, and it will really bring out your bright colors here, guys. This is one reason why I really want to add the leaves. I wanted to showcase this bright red some more, and I do love it. Let me know what you guys think about today's video, and of course give this one a thumbs up, and I will see you next time on Camile Amoy Art. Bye.